So this US oil analysis for Wednesday the 1st of August. Now let's just have a look at prices, where prices may likely go. So we've seen prices trade through 69.51 here. It didn't quite get up towards that 70.50. Instead, what we did do was post a series of lower highs, breaking back beneath this 400 period moving average. Then we saw an acceleration of momentum take us through 69.51. Brief pullback towards the $69 barrel level. Weren't able to hold that, and we have seen a test of 18. So in around this 68.19, we've had a brief pullback. We weren't able to break away from the 68.19. We've gone back for a retest of that 68.19. So if we do hold support in around this 68.19, as we have on a previous couple of occasions here, possibly looking for a move towards our 69.51. But our frequency, our inability to break away from 68.19 may just mean that we might see a break of the 68.19 to the downside here. And if that happens to be the case, we are looking to see our price direct around the 67.73, successful break from which we're looking for a move down to about 67.12. And if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, we might even see 66.71 tested here on the US oil. I can't anticipate 65.60 coming into focus. So possibly the far end of the range to the downside may just be in around 66.71 here to the downside on the US oil. If, however, we do continue to hold support in around that 68.19, which we have on a previous couple of occasions now, if we do hold that support, if we do break back below and break and hold support in around the 68.19, we're looking for a move towards that 69.51, successful break from which we're then looking for see our price direct towards that possibly even at 70.50 before we look for price to head up towards the 70.79 here on the US oil. Now, as we are trading around at 68.19, possibly that very, very far end of the range may just be around at 70.79 if we do have a particularly volatile day. But if we do have pretty much normal volatility, may just see prices head towards that 70 or possibly that 70.50. 70.79 will require quite a great degree of volatility to come into focus here on the US oil. And what we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing. So we get the scale on here correct. And as we can see here on the US head and shoulders pattern, if we were able to hold on to the higher prices above 69.51 and head up towards the 72.73 mark to see further sell side momentum. But we are seeing that weakness coming to the market here in around that $70 a barrel level. So we've had this consolidation through here. So the lower end of the consolidation being around that 67.12. So we'll see if we do head down towards the lower end of the consolidation and find support for a bullish bounce, or whether we will break out of this consolidation here to the downside and possibly may even see prices head down towards our last swing low of significance in around that 63.76 here. In around the 63.76, we do have daily confidence of a 200 period moving average, thus increasing likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce at that level if we were to see accelerated momentum to the downside towards that 63.76. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.